Enjoy that is of course strengthened with our partnership.
Nagsilaw ako kasi kaya ako tinigil pag-artista ayoko ng spotlight.
Baka kayo tumatawa, titigan nyo na lang ako, baka nakakatawa na.
Welcome everyone to Eastern Communications Link VIP Balik Tawanan. Pretty sure you will be having all those laughters.
Ang ganda pala talaga yung parang Mortal Kombat finisher. Yung glitter nila yan, ang bilhin na mong ito eh. Sila...
Maraming salamat po in behalf of the whole Eastern family.